Hello, Coconut! Welcome to Once Upon, One Word at a Time. With my stories, I hope to not only make you dream, but also help you learn French, one word at a time. Listen all the way through and stay with me until the end, where we'll practice each word we learn during the story. Are you ready? C'est parti! Today, we're going to learn about toys. On a sunny morning in the village of Mots-Magic, Matt and Mila were walking happily along the cobbled path, hand in hand, eyes sparkling with curiosity. They were heading to the village toy shop, a small, colorful house with pinwheels spinning on the roof and a giant ourson waving from the window. "Let's go see if there's anything new," shouted Matt as he ran ahead. Mila laughed. "I hope the Jack-in-the-Box is awake today." The wooden door creaked gently. Inside, the shelves stretched up to the ceiling, full of wonderful toys, stuffed animals, shiny voitures, wooden trains, bouncy balls, and poupées that blinked with a smile. But today, something was different. The toys were whispering. Matt leaned close to a row of colorful cubes. "Did you hear that?" Suddenly, pop! The clown sprang from his box with a cheerful boing. "Welcome, friends," he said, bowing. "You're just in time. Today is the toy parade." Mila's eyes lit up. "A parade? For the toys?" The clown nodded. "But we need your help to get everything ready." And just like that, whoosh! The shop came to life. The race voiture zoomed along a little track. Vroom, vroom. The ballerina poupée spun gracefully on her toes. The robot lit up and said, "Hello, Matt. Hello, Mila." Matt burst out laughing as an ourson handed him a sparkling red drum. "Do you want to lead the marching band?" it asked. Mila grabbed a shiny ribbon and joined the poupée, marching, dancing, and twirling. Together, they helped set everything up. Cubes stacked into towers, animals lined up in a row, a cerf-volant floating overhead. Then, the doors flew open wide. The toy parade had begun. Through the village streets, Matt beat the drum. Mila danced in front, and a joyful parade of toys followed them. Neighborhood cats watched from windows. Birds sang. Butterflies fluttered. As they returned to the shop, the toys shouted in unison, "Thank you, Matt and Mila." The clown did one last bounce and said, "Next time, I'll show you the secret room of flying toys." Matt and Mila grinned from ear to ear. "Mots-Magic is full of surprises," said Mila. Matt nodded. "I can't wait to come back tomorrow." And so the adventure ends for today. But in Mots-Magic, the magic is never far away. Let's review the toy names one more time. Repeat after me. Ourson, ourson. Voiture, voiture. Train, train. Poupée, poupée. cube, cube, robot, robot, cerf-volant, cerf-volant. Great job, Coconut! You learned so many new words today. There are still more to discover, but remember, we do it one word at a time. If you want to keep improving, come practice with me as often as you like. Don't forget to subscribe to the Hello Coconut channel so you don't miss any new adventure. See you soon, Coconut! Bye-bye!